It's monkey balloon.
Monster monkey balloon.
No monster monkey, it's monkey balloon. And this one?
Princess balloon.
Rabbit balloon. And next one?
Cat balloon.
Cat balloon.
Doll balloon.
Doll balloon.
Heart balloon.
Heart shaped balloon. Heart balloon. Very good. Are you happy?
Yes. Then Ismail give you Minha balloon.
No.
Baba give you Minha balloon.
Yes.
Wow. Wow.
I think now Minha is happy.